Do you think home microneedling is best for the bin? Rolling devices increase the risk of tearing the skin and causing scarring compared with professional devices. Because in a professional pen device, the needles are inserted vertically straight down into the skin. Professional devices have needles fitted to them which are designed to only be used once. So they're super sharp and completely sterile. Repetitive use of these blunts the needles and they're no longer sterile. If the needles are blunt, they're much more uncomfortable to use. So if you are determined to do this at home, here's some safety tips. Always prep your skin with an agent to minimise the risk of infection. Always apply, after microneedling, a product that's designed for use by injection, not something that's designed for topical use. Minimise the risk of infection. Use these devices only once and then dispose of them carefully. And even if you're determined to do this, just know you will never achieve with devices like these what we can achieve in professional treatments.